Hello everybody, welcome to Rahel Kitchen. Today I am going to make bhuna hua gosht or tala hua gosht in my Rahel Kitchen. To make this, I have taken 3/4 cup of oil in a pressure cooker. To this add 1 large cardamom, 4 green cardamoms, 4 small cinnamon sticks, 6 to 7 cloves. We have to sort them for some time. Before going to proceed, I want to request you, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. I need your constant support to the development of my channel. Please do support my channel. Let all of them pop up. Now to this add 2 large onions chopped. Let us fry the onions into their golden brown and keep the flame in high. Now in a separate pan take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Dry roast the coriander seeds and cumin seeds for 2 minutes. Occasionally we have to stir the onions like this. After 2 minutes, transfer the cumin seeds and coriander seeds into a mixer grinder and grind them into a smooth powder. Now our onions are fried into golden brown. To this add half a cup of washed and cleaned mutton pieces. I have cut the mutton pieces into this size. You can as well take the choice of your size. Fry the mutton pieces until all the water is evaporated from the mutton pieces. Take 1 tablespoon of freshly grounded ginger garlic paste. To this add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now the entire water is evaporated from the mutton and the oil is released out. To this add 3 medium sized chopped tomatoes at this stage. Mix all of them well. Now cook the mutton in a high flame for 5 to 6 whistles. After 5 whistles, let us open the lid of the pressure cooker. Now to this add 1 tablespoon of normal red chilli powder. Now our freshly grounded cumin and coriander powder. You can as well add the cumin powder and coriander powder to this, but freshly grounded powder gives the double taste to our recipe. It enhances the taste of our recipe. To this add 1 teaspoonful of black pepper powder. Now to this add half a cup of curd. Now cover the lid and cook for 5 to 6 minutes in a high flame. Occasionally we have to stir the masalas, otherwise they may get burnt from beneath. To this add 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. We have to fry the masalas very well. The name itself indicates that it is the recipe of a bhuna hua gosht, fried mutton recipe. Now to this add 1 teaspoonful of garam masala powder which I have made at home. Now to this add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. It imparts the color of our recipe. This is a protein rich food. It contains all B complex vitamins, especially vitamin B12, that is cobalamin. Most of us are deficient of this cobalamin, that is vitamin B12. Please make these type of non-veg recipes and eat them and keep yourselves healthy and happy. Now let us cook it for 3 more whistles in a medium flame. After 3 whistles, let us check the mutton whether it has cooked well or not. See, it is cooked very well and it has not stick to the bottom of the pan also. Now to this add half a cup of chopped coriander leaves and mix all of them well. Adjust the amount of salt at the end of the recipe. Now let us take one piece and check whether our mutton is cooked well or not. See, it has very well cooked. Now stop the flame of the gas. Now Let us transfer the mutton into a serving plate like this. See, it is very well cooked. Now our mutton bhuna hua gosht is ready to eat and serve. Let us garnish it with some lemon pieces and onions. Garnish them with some coriander leaves and green chilies. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Eat this bhuna hua gosht along with jawar roti, kulcha or as a side dish in biryani also. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.